Good morning. I'm Alison Walsh with Guaranteed Real Estate Services, where your home is sold guaranteed or we'll buy it. I'm standing in front of one of our new homes that are going to be going up for sale. It is located in Millcroft. If you want to get into Millcroft, this is the place to be. It is a freehold townhome with just a road maintenance fee. What we have is a finished lower level. We've got 3 bedrooms, new bathrooms, and it's done to the nines. An information packlet on this home, give me a call at 905-332-2207. Ask for Allison and say, I want the information packlet on the home in Millcroft, and we'll get it to you. Look forward to speaking with you, showing you the property, and have a great day. We want to thank those sellers that have entrusted us to sell their home, as they are helping us reach our goal of obtaining $20,000 to give to Jarvinsky Cancer Patient Care in Hamilton. It's a cancer patient care that services all of Burlington and Hamilton and areas. And these clients, whether they are a purchaser or a seller, help us raise funds for Jarvinsky, because here at Guaranteed Real Estate Service, a portion of our commission when a property is sold, we send to Jarvinsky Cancer Patient Care.